everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a programming. Question number 1. What is programming? Programming is also known as coding. Like the computer I'm using now, I can't just tell it to like draw a house. I have to tell it in its language, which is programming or coding. Question number 2. Why do we need programming? We need to use gadgets we have to tell the gadgets what we want them to do. That's why we need a programming. Question number 3. What programming language to use? There are hundreds of programming languages. But now I'm using Python. You can also download Scratch Junior for free, which is another coding app. Now I'm going to show you how I wrote the program. So first I took a paper and drew the shapes I need. And then I drew the size of, wrote the size of each shape. I wrote the shapes and then I wrote the color, then the size, and then the position. And I did the same for the other two. Next I did the speed, and then I asked the arrow to write my house centers 16-point bold. And that's how I made my program called My House. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Please do some programming. I hope you learn more. In my next video, I'm going to talk about programming again, but the errors in Python. Bye.